Hey guys, Steve Welch here. So I want to answer a question that a lot of you guys have, and it's just something that a lot of people keep asking, and it's something that makes a lot of sense if you know what it is, but if you don't know what it is, it's going to be confusing. So you're trying to connect to the Toyota app, and you know maybe you've connected before, maybe it's not nothing new to you, but all of a sudden you're getting this, and I'll show you a little bit better view of it here. But what it says is security alert. For better security, this application requires a device unlock passcode PIN to be enabled in order to operate. This security feature can be enabled on your device settings. And what people are looking at is they're looking at their main screen and they're going, man, I don't know where to set the PIN. And they're trying to set a PIN in their car. It's not in your car, it's in your phone. So what it is that I believe it's something that may be mandated, from what I understand, that Toyota has information about you in your app. And if you're going to be using the Toyota app, you have to have a lock screen on your phone. So lock screen being something like a passcode or a pattern that you put on there, or even face identification. You look at your phone and it unlocks. If you don't have a lock function on your phone, Toyota's app will not operate. That's why it's asking that question. So it's saying that you need to set that setting in your phone. It's really easy to do. You just go to your privacy settings, whether you're in an Android or an Apple, you go to your privacy settings and it'll be, lock your home screen, right? So that's all you're doing is just locking your home screen, to where when you go to open your phone, like I said, it's usually a pattern, a number, or it's sometimes on like an iPhone, they'll use like your fingerprint. I'm sure Samsung can do it too, or Android can do it too, but maybe a fingerprint. However you lock your phone, it has to have a security lock on your phone in order to run the app. Once you do that, you'll be able to do everything else with the app. But that is what that particular thing means. And I've had so many people ask about it that I'm like, man, I just need to put a video out about it. So there's your answer. Hopefully it helps you in case that's something that you guys have going on. But Steve Welch here. You guys have an excellent day. We'll talk to you soon.